Understanding what your clients are looking for from their salon visit can allow you to better create lasting guest relationships. By understanding the stage of life that your client is in, you can guide them into services, products, and maintenance plans that best fit their needs. Let's unlock what you know about your client before they ever walk in the door, plus what we can discover about them during their consultation. This leads us to how we create and offer services. Let's start with new clients. These clients are new to color, new to the salon, or new to you. Why would a client be new to you or your salon? The number one reason clients change salons is to try something new. That means they have a problem or question that has not been addressed with whatever they were doing before. Studies tell us that new clients are looking for specific things from their stylist. A skilled expert, show them your work, talk about your education. A full plan, even if a client does not receive a service from you, they want to know what you would do. Give them a "if I could do anything for you" plan that includes what you need them to do at home. Creative options. For clients, this is about customization, versatility in styling, easy to maintain at home, and simplified services. New clients' number one fear is high maintenance. Now, be aware that high maintenance can mean different things to different people. I have a cut and color that needs to be done every 3 weeks because I don't want to have to style my hair every morning. My style is bold and vibrant and takes me about 7 minutes in the morning. Maintenance can be going to the salon or the amount of work that has to be done at home. It is important to consult with clients every time. Providing professional advice for each new appointment creates the opportunity to identify new problems or questions and create new plans or maintaining the plan set in place. Pro tip: don't ask clients what their hair needs are. Tell them what they need to continue working towards their goal. Next, core clients. We know these people really well. They come to see us on a regular basis. Some of them pre-book, some of them don't, and they may or may not buy home care. Let's take a look at what we know about core clients in more detail. Core clients often desire something new. Surprise them by recommending to them something they didn't know they wanted. This is achievable because you should already know more about your core clients and they already have a higher level of trust in you as their hair expert. So what does this mean for you? How can we offer something new to our core clients? If we can evolve this client's image over time, they will stay loyal. These clients are looking for a premium service. Clients always enjoy being pampered, and they love a look and plan customized to fit their unique needs. A youthful look. Your core clients trust you to know what looks good on them and when they need to update their look. Their fear? Lack of skills. Many clients are unaware that the result that they get is achieved differently than any other effect they see. Clients only know about the services that we offer them. If we never talk about or show off the balayage we did, or the root melt you might be performing on new clients, your core clients will never know that you offer these unique and modern services. Transitioning clients. These clients are the clients that start to talk about less color. They are often thinking of letting their gray grow out or change up the services they get in the salon. Not to worry. We will see how these clients don't want to leave us. They simply want us to offer them different types of services that are less maintenance or more affordable. Let's look at their wants first. Transitioning clients still want to be pampered. While it may not be their biggest desire, they still want to be pampered. This client often comes in just to see you because you have a strong emotional connection. Remind them of how amazing a salon experience is through treatment services that don't require any upkeep. Personalized services. This client relies on you to know them and their likes and dislikes. Help them create a plan that works for their budget and their beauty priorities. A skilled expert. They understand the importance of quality and are willing to spend if they find high value in their salon service. What they fear: an unnatural look. To this client, that can mean the strong line of demarcation between their 75% white hair and their level 6 hair color. When the color is fresh, the color is natural looking, but the grow out is where they see some unnatural results. These clients are excellent candidates for adding highlights to soften the regrowth, or work them gradually into a lighter all-over shade. They don't want to not come in, they just want to get different or easier to maintain services. Once we understand what our clients want from their salon visits, we can then begin the process of getting to know who they are. Understanding your client profile allows you to create truly custom experiences for your guests in the salon. In addition to the expectations that clients have based on their stage of life, they are also looking for a salon experience that fits their personality. Let's look at a set of tools you can use to guide the conversation with your clients. This will help you uncover some key points of a client's personality and how they want to represent that to the world. This information can also help you navigate through the services and products you offer to create a custom service. Let's start with perfection. Perfection clients are excellent candidates for Custom Perfect, Color Motion Plus. They're looking for gray coverage, they make regular bookings, they want subtle results. They like precision cutting, sophisticated looks, and something that is soft. They don't want noticeable differences in their results. Trendsetter. This client is an excellent candidate for Shinefinity, Color Fresh Masks, Custom Perfect, Special Mix, Color Fresh Create, bold, edgy statement hair. They change their look often. Experienced clients are excellent candidates for Blondor, Shinefinity, Custom Perfect, Color Motion Plus, Elements, Color Fresh Masks. They are playful and really enjoy seasonal changes. They love in-salon services and want to recreate their look at home. Simplicity clients, Blondor, Shinefinity, and Elements, are looking for simple, chic results. They are very low maintenance and they want to look effortless. Harmony clients, Shinefinity and Elements, their number one concern is clean beauty formulas. They want a natural look and super easy maintenance. They're also interested in sustainability. So my call to action to you is to review your daily schedule. Can you call out some stage of life priorities for the people already on your book before they ever walk in the door? When your clients are in, share with them images and descriptions that fit the personality types. Do they resonate with the one you thought they would? Can you identify some opportunities to offer your guests different services?